Sunday morning. It's about 10 and it's raining, right? So we decided to stay home because of the rain. It was raining and this morning it was really windy, right? See, it's still raining at this time, but I'm gonna keep myself busy. What I'm gonna do is that with Kikay. There you go, Kikay. How you doing? Gonna say hi. Hi everyone, it's Kikay. There you go. She had a grooming today and a SpongeBob. Normally, she gets a bath, shower, right? Every week. Yeah, this way. Oh my God, she smells really good. But today, because it's chilly and she just had a grooming, shaving, and her face is pretty like she's my security, our security. Right, so stay there, honey. What I'm gonna do is bought my mom this rectangular elevated wood garden planter, so she can plant herbs above the ground. So I got this shipment a couple of weeks ago, and from of course Amazon. So I will be assembling them. It looks like pretty direct because every part, including the screws, have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the woods I am trying to organize them. The good thing is that it's a hunky-dory. So there's a letter A1, A2, B, F, and so on. So I'm trying to lay this out flat. So my plan is to finish this before I head back to the valley today for another 5 days before this limit. But gonna be a 2-day weekend. Right again, but the sun is shining out. Right, here's the neighborhood. Right there, my camper trailer. And yes, I should be ready soon. But for the time being, so this is what I'm doing. Alright, so let me set up the rest of the woods that came with a pocket. Speaking of that, came with the massive box. And then there you go, just put it in here. By the way, so it's my half bike. I'm just riding on the half bike, so maybe when the sun shines, I'll be riding on this half bike once again. Alrighty, so let me pause and then continue assembling them. Got everything I need. The right kind of screwdriver. I think I will not gonna use a drill. It's all pre-drilled. So I found all the parts. So got them all flat on the floor. So this is A. There's two A. That's actually has A1. That's A2. This B. There's two of them. And here, this is C. Of course, made in China. So they're all pre-cut and pre-drilled. B, this is C and D, there's two of them. E, there you go. And F, I wonder why there's 3F. Let's see, maybe it's the way it is. And this time is for Q, maybe there's one of them. And this A through G, they're all woods. And H, this is the liner. So this is the thing. And I got them all. Came with this desiccant. Right, that's what Kikay, you doing already? Oh, look at it. Okay. Alright, so this should be how bugger going, right? Well, hopefully I'll say that later once it's done. So, alright, so assembly begins. Alright, the final step is to put the liner. There you go, everything looks alright. Sturdy, very strong. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, pretty good. So they're all, it fits like a puzzle. The last step is the liner. So this is where you're gonna put the soil. Kikay, just finish your snook. There you go. There you go. Alright. So she's with me the whole time. I was putting this planter for my mom. So Bob's your uncle. There you go. So it's not too bad. It took me about an hour, more or less. Actually a little bit about an hour, maybe an hour 15. So yeah, the final step is to put this liner. There you go. Alright, so by the time Kikay finished her midday snack, she got breakfast this morning. And happy dog. So the final step is done. So she has been waiting for me ever since I started building up this planter, vertical planter for my mom. There you go, Kikay, come on. There you go. Yep. So it's I can say. Bob's your uncle. It's not too bad, not too shabby. So the last step is to put this liner. So this is where you're gonna put the soil. See how it looks. There we go. It's pretty strong. The only time I needed to use the drill is the put holes. So they are pre-holed, and there are screws that are included. So very sturdy. So there's a hole to drain the water. So yeah, there is a support at the bottom. Yep. Yeah, so it's not too bad. It's still raining outside. Anyway, so as I said, final step is the liner. So this is where the soil goes. We already had the soil. So this soil has been there for 3 weeks now. It's not planting season yet, but it's still winter. But it's heavy. It's not raining cuts and all, but it's continuous. We got the pot. Oh, sorry. Okay, bumped my leg against this trolley. We got the potting mix. So this potting mix goes there. We got two. We got this from the home improvement store. I think it was 3 weeks ago. Alright, there you go. I would say it's not too shabby. Alright, so project is done. So it's not planting yet. This is getting ready for spring, so winter as I said. Alright, so this is what keep me busy this Sunday. We decided to stay home because it's pretty much raining all day long. There are gonna be rains all week long. Can't do anything, although I'm not fancy too much rain. I like the sunny side of the weather, but we need a rain though. Once again, so this is it for now. It's I'm heading to the valley. Tomorrow is Monday. I'm back on the grind. I'll be there for 5 days, but I'm facing a 3-day weekend. Alright, so once again, so bye for now. And my next destination will be next month. I'll be heading to the Central Asia, Kazakhstan. Okay, so it's I believe that's the 5th largest country in the world. Is landlocked, and it's border with Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, all those stan. Anyway, so bye for now. Once again, traveling is not arriving to a new destination. It is looking at the world in a different perspective. Keep a smile, and the world will smile at you. Cheers. Be safe. Bye, and God bless. Project is over. Bob's your uncle.